Oh my God.
Early morning, some
Oh, you're pooping in here?
shop door opens, what a shocking surprise. Tiny paws and wiggly little tails, leaving puddles and poop on my sawdust.
We're burning that.
So we can find a way, turning messes into brighter day. Poop goes in the fire, makes a cozy glow.
No more pooping in here.
Oh, the pileated woodpecker, grand and tall, chainsaw singing, answering the call. Focus sharp, a masterpiece in mind, leaving all the puppy mess behind. Wood chips flying, the bird is taking form, weathering the chaos, riding out the storm. Huge and majestic beak, so keen and strong, everything is perfect where we all belong. Then a pitter-patter, a furry wild brigade.
This is why the camera is pointed in the wrong direction.
Pulling at the curtains, trying to unravel.
This is what I'm working with right now.
Grand and tall, chainsaw singing, answering the call. Focus sharp, a masterpiece in mind, leaving all the puppy mess behind.
Stop it.
Deep breaths taken, patience wearing thin, but the vision clears, we can always win. Back to the carving, steady hand and eye, watching the beautiful woodpecker. Oh my. Oh, the pileated woodpecker, grand and tall, chainsaw singing, answering the call. Focus sharp, a masterpiece in mind, leaving all the puppy mess behind. Finally complete and standing proud and bright, gorgeous creature bathed in golden light. Puppies tired, curled up in a heap, peace descends as they softly sleep. All is well, the day is done, it's true. What a crazy, wonderful day with you.